It's Sunday, February 2nd, 2014. I'm Jim Sullivan with your video forecast. As of 10:45 in the morning, snow starting to pull out of northeastern Ohio. Still some flurries left around with temperatures in the upper 20s, lower 30s. Some of us saw a few inches late last night into this morning, and it's cloudy all the way back into Michigan, so we're not going to see a whole lot of sun today, and temperatures aren't going to go up a whole lot either. Looking across the entire country now, there is a frontal boundary running from parts of Pennsylvania throughout Ohio all the way down to Texas, and there's waves of low pressure riding along this frontal boundary. You can see the next wave of low pressure over Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas. That's going to affect southern Indiana, southern Ohio, parts of West Virginia, Pennsylvania, Maryland, and New Jersey with a good dose of snow over the next day or so. Winter storm warnings and advisories out for those areas, and you can see there's more rain on the west coast. That's going to be our next storm system that could give us a good dose of wintry precipitation on Tuesday. Very cold in the central U.S. north of this front. It's still mild across the southeast. All right, coming back to Cleveland now, looking at the numbers yesterday, 43 and 30, which was above average, not anywhere near the records of 60 and 7 below zero. We saw a good amount of rain at Hopkins yesterday, 6,200 7-inch. So we're running above normal on the month of February, a little below normal on the year, and we're going to set the sun at 5:45 tonight. Alright, so looking at things over the next day or so on our futurecast, this morning's precipitation slowly pulls out, but you can see the next wave of precipitation moving in and affecting southern Ohio tonight. This blue line is the approximate rain-snow line, so you can see a good dose of snow to parts of southern Ohio, West Virginia, into the mid-Atlantic states tonight. Philadelphia could see rain changing to snow. D.C. will see more rain than snow, but may eventually change over, so this could affect travel in the big cities to our east and also across southern Ohio, Kentucky, West Virginia. So you're going to want to check the local forecast if you're traveling out in any of these directions today. Here we are tomorrow morning, stuff starting to pull east of Ohio, which will allow the sun to come out at least across northern Ohio. So for today, that means the flurries that are still ongoing now will dwindle as we head into the afternoon, and the sun isn't going to be in any particular rush to come out today. And it's still going to be rather cloudy tonight. Temperatures today hovering in the upper 20s to near 30. Tonight dropping down into the upper teens on northwesterly winds. So looking ahead now, we're expecting some wintry precipitation Tuesday evening through Wednesday morning. And let's look at the upper level forecast charts and track this energy that will eventually become our storm system. Here we are this evening. Energy is off the California coastline. You can see that swings around over northern Mexico, so it gets pretty far south tomorrow. And then as we head into the day Tuesday, it starts to swing out into the plains. Now, normally, when you get a piece of energy oriented like this far southwest, a storm will track towards the Great Lakes. But look what happens. The models sort of are showing a squeeze play in the upper levels of the atmosphere between this quote-unquote polar vortex to our north and this ridge of high pressure off the southeast. So that kind of squishes the storm and keeps it from getting really strong and doesn't let it get really far north, which, if anything, would help to keep more of Ohio's snow versus rain or ice. Now, let's look and see what the models show at the surface. So, backing our model up to Monday now and rolling it forward, you can see as we head into Monday night, precipitation breaks out in the plains as the storm system moves east of the Rockies. And as we head through the day Tuesday, this precipitation starts moving our way. Here we are, 7 o'clock Tuesday evening, low pressure well to our south, with snow moving into Ohio. Let's take a slightly closer look and roll through Tuesday night. This particular model keeps our entire northeastern Ohio coverage area all snow as it tracks the surface low south of the Ohio River. I'm skeptical of this because you could see on the loop I just showed you of the upper level forecast charts that the energy doesn't get completely killed and it tracks to our north. And there is a pretty good ridge of high pressure off the southeastern coast, so I'm not sure that the storm is buried this far to the south. I mean, it's possible, and if that happens, we'd see just about all snow. However, I'm skeptical, Now, as we head into Wednesday, the system pulls away, we get colder, and regardless, we're left with snow showers on Wednesday. But I'm still thinking a mix could work in Tuesday night. It looks like areas from like Ashtabula to Cleveland to Mansfield, points west, areas along the lake shore, and to the west will probably stay all snow. Areas farther south and east of that, though, still could see a period of mixing, so it's still kind of early to call snowfall totals, but anyone that sees all snow could see over half a foot of snow, and where you see mixing, you might see a little less. Everyone is going to see travel headaches regardless Tuesday night into Wednesday, and there could definitely be some school closings for Wednesday yet again. So, with that all said, here's your 7-day. Tomorrow we see a pretty good dose of sunshine as tonight's storm that passes to the south pulls away, so we get the sun to come out tomorrow. It'll be chilly though. Tomorrow night another cold one, lows in the lower teens. Tuesday, snow moves in late. I still think the southeastern portions of our coverage area will see that change to a mix of sleet, freezing rain, possibly rain for a time Tuesday night. Areas farther to the northwest, including Cleveland, have a better shot at staying all snow. Either way, Wednesday, colder air works in, so everyone changes back to snow showers. Total accumulations over half a foot where it stays all snow. By Thursday, we should hopefully be dry. Friday, still dry, cold to end the work week, and then another storm system moves our way next weekend. Again, I'm Jim Sullivan. Thanks for watching. Check us out again tomorrow.